So I just wanted to glue the neck onto the body. The tone bars have been completed and they're glued in, and they're perfectly aligned with the contour of the top, and the neck and body have been sanded and fitted so that the neck fits into the body like this. And as I position this, the joint here is closed completely, so there's a perfect union between them. And also on the back, these two holes are aligned, and I'll use these dowels to position this, and they'll be glued in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply glue and then just clamp them. All I need is really one clamp to do that. I'll use one of these larger clamps here. And then I will wipe off, I've got a wet paper towel here. I'll wipe off the excess glue as thoroughly as I can so that we don't have any glue on the top of this or on the sides. So let's do that. So first of all, I'm going to apply the glue to this part of the body, or to the neck. And just spread it there. And also spread it over on this. And then what I'll do is I'll apply glue to the inside of this here. And I'm using my fingers to do the spreading because it seems to be the easiest. I could probably use a brush to do that, but the fingers seem to be most effective. What I find also is the use of paper towels and have them ready so that you can wipe your fingers off before you pick things up. So I'll just spread this in here. I'll wipe off the excess, and then this will go like this. Let me show you a good angle here. So this is just going to slide in like this, and then slide down. And then I'm going to make sure that these things are completely aligned. Make sure the glue is squeezed out all around like that. And you can see I've got a little bit of squeezed glue on the sides there. So I'm going to take the wet paper towel and I'm going to wipe this thoroughly. Any remaining glue would have to be sanded off. This is not a time critical because the glue is now not going to dry very quickly. So clean this off like that. You can see the joint there. Clean it off on the back, on the sides. And now what I'll do is I'm going to clamp this. I'm going to clamp this. You'll see that it's pretty flush there. This will all be sanded flat. It's pretty flat already, but it'll be sanded perfectly flat so the back will go on. And the nice thing is the back locks this whole thing together here. So I'm going to clamp it and then I'll put the dowels in. And so we'll just do this. And I want to make sure I clamp it so that it's absolutely perfect. And I can see the glue squeezing out from the edge there again, which is a good sign. So clamp and then clean the excess glue once again. Like this. And I've got some Q-tips over here to get that the last remaining bit of glue. From there, go over to the other side. Same over here. Got a little green ink on the paper towel. I want that to stain